Hello everyone, my name is Yang Zhuhong. Next, I will tell you the purpose and reason for the renovation of the old house and the description of the project. We are group 29, and this is our group members, Yang Zhihong, Yang Shuangyu, Chen Haiping, and Chen Jiayi. First, I will tell you the purpose and the rationale for the project. The purpose, 1. The need to improve people's livelihood. 2. Build a harmonious community. 3. Improve the good image of the city. And the reason is 1. Drainage pipeline aging. Serious blockage bring inconvenience to the owner's life. 2. Potholes on the road, the lack of street lights affect travel. 3. Because of the living environment causes the community disharmony, the public security is poor. 4. The urban construction of the new community environment is beautiful and functional. The old community is not as good as the new community. Next, I will tell you the project description. Demolition and security, sanitation, fire protection, road lighting, greening, water and electrical heating, optical fiber, building repair, pipeline regularity, highlighting the solution of infrastructure, aging, dirty environment. We will improve community and property buildings, renovate buildings for energy conservation, install elevators, parking lots, cultural, sports and fitness facilities, and provide barrier-free facilities. We will improve community facilities for elderly care, child care, medical care, housekeeping, business, and smart communities. Next will come Yang Shuangyu.
With project risks. The risk analysis of this project can be divided into two parts. One is the external project risk, and the other is the internal project risk. The external risk including the risk to build the environment of the old house and unknown factors around it, including the economic risk. Because the house is so old and the investment environment is so poor, plus the pandemic and slow down the economy developed in the many places over the past year. So the cost of the use will be rise, and political rise is the old house in Shanghai. Longchang Parliament was built by the British in the 1920 to 1930, and is left the center historical scientific. If you need to make some change to it, you should not only refer to the police, but also apply to the government department for the permission to remove it. And natural risk is the locate cement is rather human, and the wall and the floor is so old. It's dangerous for the employee to fix and build it. And the internal project risk refer to the possibilities that the quantity cost. Steals and safety objects for the project cannot be fully achieved due to the project itself. It can be divided into the following points according to the technology factor special. One is non-technology risk, refer to the uncertainty in the management, organization, planning, and some other costs, including the project organization and management, project planning, and the cost control, delay in the schedule, inappropriate some change, and low budget, and so on. Stage planning, poor supply of the material and the equipment. Two is technology risk. Its so-called technology risk is mainly due to the extending for some certain technical conditions, which lead to the other some experience losses. Many in follow accept named the selection of solution and in the process of design, and the choice of technology standards, the choice of calculation and analyze mode. And in addition, it also including the process flow and the project quantity and the project accepting to do not meet the requirements, and so on. This is the part 3, project scope. The work breakdown structure. We can see the home improvement, including the carpenter, cleaning, and equipment maintenance, and structure to the house and public facilities. The next part.
In this project, the common stakeholders are the government, market organizations, and the households. In the process of transformation, it is difficult for all stakeholders to reach an agreement on the implementation of the transformation, and the stakeholder analysis helps to balance the interest of various groups so as to improve the engineering efficiency. Old community reconstruction projects can promote urban transformation and upgrading the functional structure and adjustments, improve the land level pool, land rent, and improve the urban investment environment so as to enhance the attraction to capital. Improve the land utilization rate, improve the city architecture style, enhance the city image. The original intention of residents in transformation is to improve the dirty and messy living environment, reduce safety risks, and improve the quality of life. The purpose of the market organization is to create profit, reduce cost as much as possible in the process of transformation, but advertising and improve profit review. Due to the inconsistent interest demand, there will be contradictions between various subjects, which needs to make communication and management plans in the communication and coordination among the various subjects, so as to reduce and resolve contradictions and finally realize the maximum interests. Adopt great management to coordinate the contradictions of difficult stakeholders. The community is divided into the network, and each cell is equipped with relevant community workers, helping even if problems are found and timely communication. Build a multi-party cooperation platform. A joint consultation mechanism should be established in the community, and the representative of all parties should be informed in advance through the meeting before the implementation of specific affairs, and the consultation should be held so as to protect the residents' right to know in the transformation process.
As mentioned in the second question, in the past few years, economic development of many places has been slowed down due to the epidemic, so the cost of renovation materials will rise. And the local natural environment is quite humid, so we have to strengthen the house structure, for the walls and the floors are made of wood. The salary of painters is about 16 to 22 yuan. As for the quick cleaning, we are considering looking for a local cleaning company. Because of the epidemic, we have to sterilize the whole environment. We found a Shanghai cleaning company to sterilize the environment and clean up the garbage. And the salary is about 40 to 60 yuan an hour. We will seek help for the community for the construction of sports equipment. This building occupies a large area, and the renovation project is complicated and difficult. Therefore, our project expectation is 120 days for building. Reference. Thanks for your listening.